UMLA kaliang persya joka yeng dor bartawan ke jela uba George Lengdo ula dawana ke sorkar jela bagadiban thungno da kajing tokit balat lut ban lap iki badon kti ha Kajingyap jong ba Cheresterfi thank you unong elam barim ke HNLC habawan ra ya kajing atai halor ka shong suk shong sain ha kajela uteu UMLA ula ongru bagi pat ba menta ki pensawa ya kasur badiban ai ka Jingbishar ka bahok ya kitu ki badon kti na kaliang UMLA ka mau senram uba HM Shang Peliang haba benrap lang ula ong ba kidawa bade banle AA persya ya kitu kipadon kti hakatika Jingyap jeng uba che uba piti saukme MLA ke maulai pan ula ong ba ugershan lang ya kajing dawa tokit CBI kumbala penpau do upara jeng uba cheres bulmun ki MLA kilaya shimbanta hakate kajingatai khamtam da kaba penpau ya kajing bam shong shngan kilong kume bat ki khnlung khna nangta kajing jele udrok bat ki wei haba juba Menteri Ketenat Kampo yang kejela balak menrumbui ula ong ba Kashong suk shong shngan kanam dan jaka satya lani ki kam bamman kidang yo jaka bar ula kubur baka sorkar kan le eka padon kam.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. So thank you for allowing me to participate in the short duration discussion brought by the Honourable Member from Roiba, George B. Lingdo. That is issue related with the safety and security of the people in the state. So at the beginning, I appreciate the effort, the hard work of the police personnel who are working day and night for patrolling the whole of the state and see that peace, progress and prosperity will be continued in our state. So we cannot deny the fact that the police forces in the state, they are doing the best. Talking about many years, I may say that peace has come back into the state, even the city Shillong, in Garilis, in Ribhoi district, in West Castle, and all the 12 districts that we have in the state. But I'm sure that police personnel, police staff, and the police department will try to improve and doing a good job to safeguard for the state. So we have to thanks to the police forces. At night we are sleeping peacefully, but because of the police who have to protect us, that's why we didn't face any problem while wake up in the morning. So it is a fact that some of the cases that which make the citizen of the state to be something to fear why this happened. So the main important I would like to touch about the incident which was happening in the Meghalaya Masar on 13 August 2021, which make the ex-agency leader make him to kill by the police forces. So it is a very sad incident, and nobody thought that it will be in that position it will be happen. It seems here that intelligence wing, I may say that use the word weak, because a weak of intelligence wing, which make the police forces have to kill the ex-agency leader. If it is not like that, sir, the police were doing for the operation, they should have been arrested very easily. He's a sick person. He slept with his children in his own house, but it is in the morning time, nobody in that areas. I'm sure that with the strength of the police they having, if the police they don't have a bad intention, but it was only in the mind of those who carrying operation that go and kill and bring back. That is a wrong message, especially without thinking about the human right. So the human right in this day is very important to protect. The human right is very strong in these days. Everybody talking about human right. We have to save the human right, but it is very unfortunate for those who carrying the operation on the morning of 13 August 2022 have already killed ex-HLC Mr. Chesterfield. Thank you. So in spite of that protest of the people, The government have already been formed a commission, which was headed by Mr. Baipe, and Baipe have already been taken some time. It seemed that he have already been called with many of the witness and many people on getting of information what is going on and going wrong in that day. Then he come to the conclusion. He have already given a recommendation because of the excessive use of force by the police, which make ex-agency leader to kill on that day. But I cannot understand why that under the commission of the YP commission, he have not been recommended that that in the name of those carrying operation, how many of them are carrying operation, and those are the name, and that will be the recommendation should be given to the government, and will be easily for the government to take an action. But in spite of that, I urge the Home Minister with the consultation with the Chief Minister, that is what the people expect. Kasuru kinong molai, brief new trip, organization that we have on the state. So from time to time, we have already protests. On the last Friday, Kasuru brief new trip for molai and all this, they have already been a stand protest there in the road while coming to assembly hall. They have already been assembled and shouting a slogan and demand for the justice. But the letter said that even that Kasuru no molai, which was the three organization of the KSU, FKJP, and HNYF, they also demand for the justice. From the family members, after they have read the report, the brother of ex-agency leader, they said that we accept report, but what they demand the CBI inquiry on this killing of Mr. Sisfil. Thank you. So based on the decision of the people members, I, as the MLAs of Molai constituency, have to go in the same voice that the family members demand, and use of Molai demand, or the demand. I also registered the demand that the CBI inquiry needs to further investigation regarding with this issue. So if this recommendation, if this inquiry, if the bypay commission, if this commission have already mentioned about many name here, it will be easy from our side with demand the government should arrest, government should take action. But since the recommendation of bypay have not mentioned anything, but I feel that from my side, along with members, we demand a CBI inquiry. I urge the Honorable Home Minister, he will study, examine this matter, and so if possible, that he can consider earliest so that the case could be found out who is the real culprit.
And regarding the case of or regarding the judicial report, sir, the government is not shying away from anything. We are transparent in everything which we are dealing. As soon as the unfortunate incident happened, we have instituted the inquiry, and Honorable Justice Baife has submitted the report, and the report have been laid on the 9th of September on the floor of the House. And in that report, action taken report, we have seen that the government is doing, and we will do, sir, so that the suspicion in the eye of the people or the trust will be there in the system, sir. So I assure the House that whatever need to be done, we will do, taking question as per specified by the Honorable Chief Minister in that action taken report. And regarding the issue raised by the Honorable Member Charles Pongro regarding what is happened in the police headquarters, sir, the government, as soon as it got the report from the police headquarters, necessary steps have been taken so that the so-called scam or whatever may be could be seen what it is there. So, sir, steps have been taken, and necessary departmental inquiry will be instituted in due course of time, so that whatever may be there will come into public notice.